and sustainability. The environmental impact of fashion is significant, and finding ways to reduce waste is essential. The good news is that AI can help here too. By integrating AI into the design and production processes, brands can make more sustainable choices. AI can optimize material usage, minimize waste, and promote the use of sustainable materials. This not only helps the environment but also reduces costs for manufacturers. This means we can enjoy fashionable clothes without harming the planet. Consumers are increasingly looking for eco-friendly options, and AI can help meet this demand. It's time to make conscious choices and embrace a more sustainable future for fashion. By leveraging AI, we can create a fashion industry that is both innovative and responsible, paving the way for a brighter, greener future.
Section 4. The future of fashion retail. A personalized and sustainable journey. Imagine walking into a store where every recommendation is tailored to your unique style and preferences. No more endless browsing or guesswork.
That's the power of AI in retail. It's like having a personal stylist who knows you better than you know yourself. AI-powered recommendation engines analyze your past purchases, browsing history, and even your social media activity to curate a personalized shopping experience. This means that every time you shop, the experience becomes more refined and tailored to your unique tastes and preferences.
But it doesn't stop there. The integration of technology in fashion retail is just beginning. Augmented reality mirrors and virtual fitting rooms are transforming the way we shop. Try on clothes virtually, experiment with different looks, and find the perfect outfit without even stepping into a fitting room. This not only saves time, but also makes the shopping experience more enjoyable and efficient.
The future of fashion is all about creating personalized and sustainable experiences. Designers are now focusing on eco-friendly materials and ethical production methods. AI is the key to unlocking this exciting future, empowering us to express our unique style while making responsible choices. By combining technology with sustainability, we can enjoy fashion that not only looks good but also feels good for the planet.
Section 5. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution in fashion. So there you have it. AI is revolutionizing the fashion industry in ways we never thought possible. From speeding up the design process to creating personalized shopping experiences, AI is changing the game.
It's time to embrace these technological advancements and explore the endless possibilities they offer. The future of fashion is here, and it's more exciting than ever before.